Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can pair Tozo T12 with any iPhone or iPad. First of all, you have to open this charging case, remove left and the right earbud. And right now click once on the right earbud. Right now we have to wait for these indicators. They will start blinking blue and red. So just be patient and wait. There we go. Put them close to your device, go to the settings on your iOS device, open Bluetooth, tap on the switcher and find them on other devices list. Select them right here. And as you can see, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.